Hi Devanshu, how are you
Hi.
all? So Devanshu, what is it that you're creating happening on the in the film? I mean, there's fun. At the same time, there's a big message. What made you choose this topic, this particular topic?
I mean, I reacted to it as a reader first because the script has been written by Manoj Kalwani. He wrote the idea, story, screenplay, dialogues, everything, one man army. And he wrote it. I read the screenplay and I fell in love with it as a reader because it read like a very pacey draft. And then the filmmaker in me felt कि ये किसी और को नहीं करने दूंगा, मुझे ही करना चाहिए. But I had to wait for almost a year and a half until it came to me. And then I said, अब मैं कहीं नहीं जाने दूंगा इसको. It is about Sanjay and Aditi. I
Yes.
see थोड़ा बहुत of Sanjay in me because मैं बिहार से हूँ, बाहर पढ़ा हूँ, माँ बाप मेरे अभी भी वहीं रहते हैं. My hometown is like a village frozen in time.
And for
And
the audiences who haven't watched it yet, why Chauda Fere? I know why, but then
isn't it a great title?
it
I mean,
is.
सात फेरे में इतनी हंसी खुशी बदमाशी इतना सब कुछ ऊपर नीचे होता है, रोना धोना सब हो जाता है. तो डबल द धमाल, डबल द टेंशन, डबल द भसड़ करो.
And what
दैट्स द
made you
आइडिया.
choose Vikrant and Kriti?
विक्रांत ये मेरी कुंडली में लिखा हुआ था मेरे हाथ में. जैसे शादी ब्याह में ऐसे होता है ना कुंडली, मेरी कुंडली में ये दोनों लिखे थे और मुझे मिल गए और बहुत अच्छे से निभा लिया हमने.
And now for you both, I mean, what a performance! What a performance! I would take a moment to tell that I am a big fan of Vikrant personally, and Kriti, with the ease with which you portray a character is like flawless. I mean, it's so pleasing to watch. Now you both tell me what made you say yes to the script, and how was it playing Aditi and Sanju?
Firstly, thank you. Thank you so much. You put a very big smile on my face. Uh, I honestly feel like Aditi chose me because it was Devanshu's decision to allow me to play this character. It's very close to his heart. He was very clear about what he wanted and what he expected out of his artist. Having said that, I don't think Aditi would have been easily executed if it wasn't for the great writing, if it wasn't for the perfect direction that I had, if it wasn't for my amazing co star. And very frankly, I think it was the idea and the story about Aditi and Sanjay that made me believe that this is something that I want to be a part of because I was so entertained by the writing, like Devanshu said, because before you start shooting, you're reading everything on paper. What you can always do is amplify what you read, maybe try and do better, bring something personal to the table, maybe do something with the character. But that's only possible. You can only make it better if it's already good. And here I was blessed with something great, and I'm just glad that it translated on screen.
And what about you,
Uh,
Vikrant?
Me too. I think I have had similar reasons to be a part of this film. The writing was so good. When I read the script, I was thoroughly entertained and I wanted to attach myself to this. I'm sure you've seen the film. So things
Yes.
that Sanjay believes in, things that Sanjay and Aditi both believe in, or the world they belong to, I resonated with the world. I have seen, seen and heard of things that we see in the film, and I wanted to do my bit. I definitely do believe in the causes or the kind of life one should live through Sanjay. I definitely believe in their cause, and it was such an entertaining script. Very seldom do you get a script, and I at that point in time was looking at something which was comparatively lighter to the things that I've done before, and here came a script wherein I had an opportunity to to play a part which I had never done before. Though I had done Guinea with Sunny, but it's polar opposite to what we see in
Yes.
Chauda Fere. And to get an opportunity to collaborate with Devanshu, I'd heard of him and his brother Satyanshu Singh, who's also been very instrumental in our entire process of filming. So I wanted to collaborate with these guys, and so it ticked all the boxes that I needed there and then. And when later Kriti got on board, I was really excited to know that here I have someone who I can rely on. She's such a fantastic artist. She's someone I can rely on as an actor, and she definitely adds her bit. And as you said, she's done it so well. So all in all, I think it ticked all the right boxes for me.
And Devanshu, you mentioned it before that Chaudah Fere is a mix of Hum Aapke Hai Kaun, Golmaal, Chup Chup Ke. Throw some light on that. What made you say so?
Actually, see, Hum Aapke Kaun is actually essentially a wedding with families, lovely people coming together, giving you an experience, right? हम आपके कौन में कोई विलन ही नहीं है 2.5 घंटे तक, कोई कॉन्फ्लिक्ट ही नहीं है 2.5 घंटे तक, भाभी जी मरती नहीं है तब तक कोई कॉन्फ्लिक्ट नहीं है स्टोरी में, यू नो. चुपके चुपके यू हैव गोलमाल, इन सब में फैमिलीज हैं, वैल्यूज हैं, फन है, फ्रॉलिक है, इस तरह की चीजें थी. आई ग्रू अप ऑन दीज फिल्म्स and here I could see myself giving the perfect tribute to Suraj ji and Rishikesh Mukherjee sir in my own way, in my own little way. तो वो कोशिश थी, और छोटे घर से हूँ, बिहार के छोटे से शहर से हूँ, तो यही अपब्रिंगिंग है, घर, फैमिली, माँ बाप, दोस्त यार. तो आई थॉट इट वाज द परफेक्ट ग्राउंड वेयर आई कुड हैव माय ओन ट्रिब्यूट, और उसमें चीजें और स्पेशल हो जाती हैं जब आप कुछ एक इंटेंट से आते हो ना कि चलो ऐसा कुछ करते हैं जहां घर के लोग हैं, प्यार मोहब्बत दिखा सकते हो, तो अपने आसपास के लोगों को लेकर के आप पर्दे पर डाल देते हो. व्हेन दिस फिल्म इज गोइंग टू गो आउट, so many people in my family are going to call my parents, call my friends and say, अरे ये तो तू है, अरे ये तो तू है. and even if you haven't met them, you've seen the film, so you know how relatable it is in so many ways.
और इस बार मैं घर जाके बोल रहा हूँ कि हमारे लिए रिश्ते देखना बंद करिए, क्योंकि कानपुर का बबलू नहीं, जयपुर की जाटनी हमारी रूममेट है.
पापा को फिल्मों में भी लव मैरिज नहीं अच्छी लगती संजू. उनको टाइटैनिक भी तभी पसंद आती है जब
जैक डूब रहा होता है. पता है मुझे.
काहे कि चाचा का दिमाग है गरम, अब बगले में बहती हैं गंगा जी,
वहीं काट के डाल देंगे.
So, I am sure Vikrant and Kriti, when you guys started, you must have gone through comments like, Hoga nahi, it's a very difficult industry. How have you coped up? And Vikrant, because you are from television, and I'm sure you must have heard you're too exposed and, the normal things. How has it been? I mean, you're giving us such great films back to back, Haseen Dilruba, now Chaudah Fere. Tell us something about it. How has it been for you?
Yeah, God's been kind. People have been equally kind. But I think it's a part of everyone's journey. I've had a very generic upbringing in life and even professionally. Had I not encountered people who told me I couldn't do a particular thing, I wouldn't be here probably. They probably pushed the right buttons for me. And definitely I really thank them, today in retrospect, when I sit back, I thank them for sort of pushing those buttons and for, being the catalyst that I needed there and then to, probably recognize things that were within me, but I couldn't tap into that. And it's something that, I really don't see it in any negative connotation. I'm someone who has this general competitive streak within me, maybe because of my early exposure to sport. I've played a lot of sport in my life, and yeah, I have this trait in me. So when people earlier in the day, when they would say, "Yare, ye Lokhandwala ka TV actor hai," or as you said, you've been very exposed, and these words were actually used verbatim. But you really, all you can do is listen to these things, and then by the end of the day, you have to back yourself. If you don't back yourself, it would be really foolish for you to expect other people to back you. So I all I did was, I just backed myself. I knew what I possessed within. I still wouldn't say that, what, I've done this, I've done that. I think I'm still a few years away to even begin to do things that I want to do. I'm still good 3-4 years away from that. So right now, yeah, I'm just enjoying every moment right now. I'm really, really happy, really grateful that the audiences have stuck by me. My writers are writing for me. My producers are backing my films. And, what else can I ask for?
And what about you, Kriti? I mean,
I think, honestly, if my family hadn't been as supportive as they were when I started off, all of these things would affect me to a certain degree. But, when you have the backing of your family and the people who really matter to you, and they have nothing but good wishes for you and they're sending you blessings, I think it all falls into place, very frankly. Yes, a lot of things have been said by a lot of people, but very frankly, they didn't matter to me and they were not really relevant in my life. And people who were relevant in my life and did say stuff like this, I chose to just, detach myself from them, because I don't think I need that kind of negativity in my life. I think at this point, I'm just so proud of my body of work. I know from where to where I have reached, and I'm proud of my achievements. Uh, I still remember being the scared 18-year-old girl, first time learning Telugu on a set and not knowing, uh, what it is to make a film. I'd never been on a set before. I had zero idea about what I was getting into. To someone who is so driven today and is so involved in the process of filmmaking and understands what happens behind the camera, I know I've really grown as a person, as an artist, and I'm very proud of it. And I've lasted 12 years, so I don't think anyone saying anything is going to affect me at all.
You both are amazing. Have you both
Thank you.
become choosy in any way? Like now do you choose what you want to do? Or is it still like you are ready to work with what you are getting? Whatever scripts you are being offered, or you're very choosy now?
Yeah, I think God's been kind, as I said before. There's only as much work you can do in 1 year, and my idea is to do varied parts that challenge me, and also primarily my job is of a storyteller. So I want to go out and share stories with people that strike a chord with me as a reader at the beginning. I don't know, am I choosy? Yes, obviously. God's been kind, as I said. There's only as much time as you are provided with. So, yeah, in some ways you can say that, it's a very conscious decision now to sit back and sort of filter a few things, choose the things you want to invest your time and effort into. Yeah, but yeah, I mean, that's how it is.
And you, Kriti?
I think I'm working very hard, so I have the liberty to make choices. I think financial independence is something that's very, very important. Because I know I have worked in the past wherein I know I needed money and I've done a film, and I have no qualms admitting that, because at the end of the day, I have a house to run. I have
All
myself
of
to
us have
take
done
care
that.
of. Yeah, we've all done that. So I think the whole point is hoping that it doesn't do any damage to you, and touch wood, it hasn't, very frankly. But having said that, I will say that I'm working really, really, really hard right now, so I can make the right choices and do the kind of work that I really want to do and not given to any kind of pressure.
Okay. And Chauda Fere is coming on Z5. What is your take on OTT platform? Do you think it's a game changer? Like, storytelling is evolving and content is the king now, I would say. What is your take now on it?
See, the good thing about OTT is that you don't have a certain slot जिसमें आपको फिल्में देखनी है. It's not a matinee, it's not an afternoon slot or an evening slot. It's not like your TV पर फिल्म आ रही है एक certain time पे तभी देखनी है. हम इतने देश की जनता इतनी सारी है, उनको आपने अवेलेबल कर दिया है कि इतनी सारी फिल्में आप देख सकते हो अपनी मर्जी पे. और हम भूखे हैं, हमको एंटरटेनमेंट चाहिए, हमको कंटेंट चाहिए. 2 घंटे की फिल्में हमारे पास 24 घंटे होते हैं. इससे फायदा ये हो गया हमारे पास इतना टाइम, हम किसी भी वक्त बेवक्त हम फिल्म देख सकते हैं, शोज देख सकते हैं. एंड यू नो हाउ इट इज, द वंस हु वर्क वेरी हार्ड ड्यूरिंग द वीक, दे वांट टू अनवाइंड ड्यूरिंग द वीकेंड. तो इतने सारे लोग देख पाते हैं, वो होना बहुत जरूरी है. द रियलिटी टुडे इज बिकॉज ऑफ दिस ओटीटी प्लेटफॉर्म्स. हम डायरेक्टर्स को बड़ी परेशानी होती है, एक्टर्स टेक्नीशियंस ढूंढने में, सब बुक्ड है. They are working and it feels so happy that your friends are all busy. ये चीज पहले नहीं हो पाती थी. हमारे पास बॉक्स ऑफिस का प्रेशर नहीं होता, वीकेंड का प्रेशर नहीं होता. 3 दिन में इफ यू डोंट डिलीवर विद अ स्मॉल फिल्म लाइक चिंटू का बर्थडे और मे बी अ मीडियम साइज फिल्म लाइक आवर्स, वी डोंट हैव अ प्रेशर कि हमको 3 दिन में डिलीवर करना है, अदरवाइज यू वोंट गेट शोज. या बिग फिल्म विल कम एंड टेक ओवर योर शो. लाइक देयर कुड बी अ बिगर फिल्म ऑन Z5 और अ स्मॉलर फिल्म ऑन Netflix, और सब चल सकती हैं. So it's a great time to be at. It's a great place to be at. And as long as we choose the right projects, as they said, and keep working hard with the right intent, I think we'll have a lot of fun.
Right. What about you, Kriti and Vikrant?
I absolutely agree with Devanshu. See, I won't lie, I miss the theater experience. I do, but that's a personal choice that I like. It's not just my films. I would love to go into a theater and watch a film. I can't wait for things to get better so we can all do that. Having said that, when Tesh released on Z5 is when I realized the power of OTT. While I've been watching a lot of series, a lot of movies, and obviously even I, just like everyone else, I've also had access only to OTT platforms. But you realize the power of it when you actually deliver something on it. And there were people messaging me from different parts of the world after Tesh who I didn't think would have access to my films also, because it's available in what, 90 countries?
More than that, in fact.
More than 90 countries ZEE5 is available in. So suddenly there were messages pouring in from South Africa and where not, where I wasn't expecting it at all. And that showed me the power of OTT. That showed me that the reach had increased so much. And I felt even more blessed that in a time when there is so much uncertainty and everyone's not living the happiest life and trying to find some sort of some sort of relief somewhere, we're able to entertain them. Matlab, jab pandemic shuru hua tha, I was very flustered for the first 3-4 months because I didn't know what to expect. I was like, when will I go back to work? When will I shoot? When will my films release? Am I never going to work again? Is this going to be 2 years? Kitne paise account mein ghar chal payega ki nahi? I swear I had those thoughts in my head. And I'm really grateful that I'm sitting here today and promoting 14 Fere.
Right.
I absolutely second the both of them. There's nothing more to add. But I think the world has shrunk right now. The lines have blurred. So today, as a creative artist, when I am provided with an opportunity to cater to more than 160 countries, to say, for example, at one time, it gives me an opportunity to showcase my skill set. And even as an audience, I have any content accessible to me today. And it's a great time to be, as Devanshu said, it's a great time to be, associated with, storytelling. There are so many documentaries you see on OTT platforms today. You see so many non-fiction stuff and even fiction coming out there. So I think it's a great time to be any creative artist. And and I definitely cannot take away the fact that a lot of what I have today is because of OTT. So I really don't think mediums have really mattered to me. The larger idea has always been to be able to communicate to your audiences time in, time out, irrespective of the medium. Yeah.
Thank you so much for your time. This was my last question.
नाम?
संजय लाल सिंह,
क्या करके दिखाएगा?
हमको आपको प्रपोज करना है। जी वो सीनियर्स बोले।
आज के बाद जब भी देखूं कान पकड़ के माफी मांगेगा।
वैसे हम नहीं चाहते कि मेरा बेटा बड़ा होकर तुम्हारी बेटी पे लाइन मारे, तो क्यों ना दोनों भाई बहन?
हम दोनों यूं मिले, हम दोनों यूं मिले।
और इस बार मैं घर जाके बोल रहा हूँ कि हमारे लिए रिश्ते देखना बंद करिए, क्योंकि कानपुर का बबलू नहीं, जयपुर की जाटनी हमारी रूममेट है।
पापा को फिल्मों में भी लव मैरिज नहीं अच्छी लगती संजू। उनको टाइटैनिक भी तभी पसंद आती है
जब जैक डूब रहा होता है, पता है मुझे।
काहे कि चाचा का दिमाग है गरम, अब बगले में बहती है गंगा जी।
वहीं काट के डाल देंगे।
कोनो राजपूत का लड़की उड़की सेट किया है ना, तो घर पर चलते ही बग दीजिएगा।
देख, भागने का ऑप्शन तो है नहीं, और अलग हम हो नहीं सकते।
बहुत बारीकी से प्लान करना होगा संजू।
प्लान ऐसा है कि 2 शादियां होंगी। पहले आपको अदिति के घर चलकर मेरा बाप बनना है, और फिर मेरे घर पे अदिति का बाप। ये रोल करने के लिए पूरी दिल्ली का थिएटर सर्किट एक पैर पे तांडव कर रहा है, लेकिन हमें आप जैसे एक्टर की तलाश है जो खुद भी ये भूल जाए कि हमारा नकली बाप है।
माँ का रोल कौन कर रहा है?
दिल्ली की मेरिल स्ट्रीप हूँ मैं। दिल्ली की मेरिल स्ट्रीप हूँ सर।
जुबीना सर, दिल्ली की मेरिल स्ट्रीप बोलते हैं इसे। और ऐसी कुंडली तैयार करिए, जब लोग हाथ में पकड़े ना तो बोलें कि साक्षात राम सीता की जोड़ी है।
आग का दरिया है, डूब के जाना है।
इतनी चमत्कारी कुंडली फिर मन की देख रहा हो, शादी की तैयारी करो।
सबसे पहले बिहार से संजय सिंह की असली बारात आएगी दिल्ली।
उसके बाद संजय भालोटिया अपनी फेक फैमिली लेके जाऊंगा जयपुर।
क्या चल रहा है दिखाई दे रहा है।
जो सामान हाथ में आता है उसको पैक करो, तुरंत निकलना है। अब तो माता रानी पार लगाएंगी।
मतलब ये
अरे मर्दे सब अभी जान जाइएगा, फिल्मों तो देखिए।
आग का दरिया है, डूब के जाना